Hey guys, Jin here. We're now here again at the Tecno booth, and one of the products that they announced here is the latest Tecno AI Glasses Pro. This one is basically an XR device. It also comes with LEDs inside. Ayan, so, and maganda dito is wireless siya. Meron din siyang capability to access ChatGPT, and you can connect this to your smartphone para if you are able, for example, to take some photos, o kaya naman yung ask it what a specific thing you're looking at, it can get processed to the application that may be installed on your smartphone. And what we have here is their latest Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G, at may app dito called Tecno na app. Ayan siya. So, ayan siya. So, meron dito, like there are buttons. If you take a look at it, there are certain buttons here that you can click. You can also slide. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but there, may mga small na screen siya para you get to see, like, ito, click to speak on the left side and a few more other things. Medyo minimalist yung dating para lang at least hindi ganun ka-tasking sa battery life. But this is a very interesting device. We did not get to see some of these, the devices they usually launch at MWC. This is one of them. They announced this before, yung Pocket, but they did not launch it in the Philippines. So I'm not sure. According to them, the Glasses Pro will retail for maybe about 300 to 400. The first generation of the glasses will range for about 200 to 300. So very competitive. Difference nung cheaper version is that para siyang Ray-Ban Meta with 32 gigs of RAM. Itong Glasses Pro, it's entirely different. While it can also do what the other one can do, this one is more comprehensive and can do more things, especially the AI stuff. So, yan, isa yan sa mga bago din na produkto dito na in-announce sa MWC 2025.